Beans. Good morning, everyone. Today I finally get to do that black bean soup recipe now that all of the beans aren't completely gone from the store. This one's got a lot of vegetables that need to be cut up, so I'm going to jump right into it. But before I forget, our total cost for all of these things was about $27.46. So a little more on the expensive side, but I'm assuming this is going to make a lot of stuff because of all these cans here. This one asks for 4 cans of black beans, but what I did was I did 3 cans and then I did 1 large can of ranch beans because I wanted a little more variety than just having the black beans. And these are really good, so I wanted to include them. As far as toppings go, you can put whatever you want on. I got some of these, some of this, and then our, oh yeah, spread it. What are you looking at? Okay, so I got my peppers rinsed. I just need to core those and dice them up. I got my spider here. He guards the vegetables for me. I only need 2 carrots, so what I'm going to do with the rest of these so that I don't waste them is I'm going to dice them up and then put them in the leftover jalapeno juice so that I can pickle them and I can eat them. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do. I don't really need to show you how to cut all these up. If you don't know how to cut these up, then perish. With that, we are now ready to throw everything together. A few things to note before I begin. You saw in the beginning that I had 1 red bell pepper and 1 orange bell pepper. The recipe says 2 red bell peppers, but I like a little more color, so I chose 1 red and 1 orange. I don't think it matters too much. You can do whatever you want. It also says to chop the carrots. I shredded them because another recipe I looked at had you shred them, and I like them better when they're shredded anyway, so it works out. I also rinsed off the black beans, just like it says to. I normally don't because you don't really need to, as long as you drain them. But I did drain the can of ranch beans. I didn't rinse those off though because those have some seasonings on them and you don't want to rinse the seasonings away. So besides that, let's just go ahead and start throwing everything in. From here, I'm going to put it on low for 8 hours, but you can do either high for 3 to 4 or low for 6 to 8. And one last thing is we just need to stir to make sure that everything is evenly combined, and we are good to go. Try not to lose the bay leaf so I can pick it out later. Or you can eat the bay leaf. Nobody can tell you what to do. All right, see you in 8 hours. And here we are officially done. Ooh. So at this point we have a few options. We can either leave it as is, we can blend it up, or we can blend up a little bit of it and have kind of half and half. So I want to do it that way, so let me go ahead and do that. Don't forget to take out the bay leaf first. So now I'm just gonna scoop out some of it to blend it up, so I'll kind of guess how much I want. Ow, that was hot. Maybe like half should be good. Try not to spill. I burnt my hand. And that's pretty much it. Now we just pour it back in. Forbidden smoothie. And with that, we are now ready to serve. So I got all my toppings lined up here. And let's see how it turned out. Well, the squeezy bottles will take some getting used to, but they are a lot easier. So let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good. This one's a lot more soup-like than some of the other stuff I made. Those ones were a lot like thicker. So this one will turn out pretty good, I guess. We'll see. It smells pretty spicy. I guess we'll find out. Thanks for joining me.